Dear nurses, welcome to Nurses Today YouTube channel. Today we are posting another important new recruitment video which is based on the NORCET 2021 score. Based on the NORCET 2021 score, the central government hospital, that is Dr. RML Hospital and Safdarjung Hospital and Lady Heinrich Medical College and Srimati Suchata Kripani Hospital and Kalavadi Saran Children Hospital, New Delhi, through the Nursing Officer Recruitment Common Eligibility Test, that is NORCET 2021, conducting by the AIIMS New Delhi. Then we are going to see the name of the post and essential educational qualification and eligibility criteria and experience and age criteria for the post of nursing officer. And the pay level is level 7, that is from approximately 44,900 to 1,42,400. The essential education qualification is BSc Honors Nursing or BSc Nursing from an Indian Nursing Council or State Nursing Council recognized institute or university. BSc Post Certificate or Post Basic BSc Nursing from an Indian Nursing Council or State Nursing Council recognized institute or university and to be registered as a nurse and midwife with any state Indian Nursing Council, or Diploma in General Nursing Midwifery from an Indian Nursing Council or State Nursing Council recognized institute or board or council, and registered as a nurse and midwife in State or Indian Nursing Council, with minimum 1 year of experience in minimum 50-bedded hospital after acquiring the educational qualification mentioned above applicable for all participating hospitals. And then the age limit for the direct recruitment is between 18 to 35 years. And then we can see the distribution of the number of nursing officer posts in various hospitals. Number 1, Dr. RML Hospital, the total number of posts is 31. And Safdarjung Hospital, the total number of posts is 529 nursing officer posts. And number 3, Kalavadi Saran Children Hospital, the total number of posts is 29. And Lady Heinrich Medical College, the total number of posts is 89. And the general condition and the instruction to apply for this post is on online mode. It is start from 16 October 2021 to 30th October 2021 at the www.aimsexam.ac.in. And then regarding the application fees, the general or OBC candidate rupees 3,000, and for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidate and EWS candidate, the application fees is rupees 2,500. And the person with disabilities are exempted. The candidate can pay the prescribed application fees through debit card or credit card or net banking transaction fees, if any as applicable, will be payable to the bank by the candidate. Application fees once remitted shall not be refunded under any circumstances. Application without the prescribed fees would not be considered and summarily rejected. Application fees for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidate who appear in the examination will be refunded after declaration of result in due course of time. And then the age relaxation for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidate is for about 5 years, and for the OBC candidate it for about 3 years, for PWD candidate for 10 years, and PWD plus OBC candidate is for 13 years, and PWD plus scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidate is for 15 years. And ex-serviceman and commissioned officer including ECO and SSCOs are 5 years. And then we are going to see the pattern and scheme of examination. The duration of the examination shall be 3 hours. 200 MCQs of 200 marks with 4 alternate for each question. 180 MCQs related to the subject and 20 MCQs related to the general knowledge and aptitude. The wrong answer will be negative marking of 1/3 marks of each wrong answer. The qualifying marks in the recruitment examination will be 50% for unreserved or EWS candidate and 45% for OBC candidate and 40% for SA and ST candidate. Then a resolution of tie casing. In case where more than one candidate secures equal marks, tie will be resolved. First, by using the date of birth with older candidate placed higher. If not resolved, by number of wrong answer, negative or negative marks will be used, wherein those less wrong answer or negative marks will be placed higher. Merit will be reflected accordingly in the NORCET score. And the syllabus will be in accordance with educational qualification and experience as mentioned in the eligibility sections or advertisement. So dear nurses, the detailed application and advertisement and online application link has been given in this video description. Let you all please check it out. So, dear nurses, from the team of Nurses Today, we wish you all the very best and thank you. Have a nice day.